to or what persuasions we come from. We must stand together to say no against violence, against anarchy, against destruction of property, because that is violence undermines democracy. Violence works against the rule of law. Violence works against us as a nation, and we must all stand together to say no to violence. And I am telling even our brothers in the opposition, they must be unequivocal on matters violence. There is no opposition, there is no government on matters of violence. We must all stand on the same side, because it undermines who we are. It undermines our nation, it undermines our democracy, it undermines the rule of law, and it is unconstitutional and illegal and undemocratic to cause violence and destroy people's property and destroy our nation, sabotaging our economy. So sisi wote tusimame upande moja. Na mimi nataka niwashukuru Wakenya wote kwa sababu tumekubaliana. Watu wengi wanashangaa pengine haya mambo ya maandamano ambayo tuletea fujo. Naamini ya kwamba kuna sababu ilifanyika. Ndio tukubaliane kabisa once and for all ya kwamba there will be no more violent demonstrations in Kenya. Hatukuwa tumepata nafasi ya kusema. I think we are now agreed that there will be no more violent demonstrations in Kenya that destroy property, that destroy people's lives, and that destroy our public property. Sisi wote tunasimama upande moja.